Maybe you're just looking to brighten that dull winter skin or would like an opportunity for a little pampering. Skin renewal services at Essentia include facials and body treatments that can help a variety of skin types. We're joined now by Marne Guthrie, who is an esthetician with the Skin Renewal, and I'm just so pleased that you're here today, Marne. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, this is a time of year when our skin can really start to dry out and not feel so great. What are some of the treatment options available to help that?
Well, we have a number of different options for the face, but also the body as well. The customized facial is a really nice one because you do get the pampering with that as well. But what we do is we analyze your skin, see what the skin's going through, and everybody's skin's, even the oiliest of skins, is feeling that dehydration right now. There's no hydration in our buildings and getting out of the car and how cold it's been. So we do a customized facial and add some of that moisture back into the skin.
Now, do you recommend a facial or treatments like this as part of just overall good skin health?
Absolutely. Especially seasonally, you know, this time of year you'll really notice the difference. But when you go into different seasons, sometimes you need just a little tweaking with your skincare so that you can kind of glide through the seasons properly.
Oh, exactly. And you know, you talked a little bit about pampering. Is it nice to pamper yourself too?
Absolutely. Yeah. When you pamper yourself, your overall whole body feels better. So.
And I've had a chance to watch some of the treatments that you do, and you can tell people are feeling very good, very relaxed. And, you know, we also, one thing that's a little different about the Skin Renewal Services is that it's located within the dermatology department at Essentia Health. What's it like being able to offer these kinds of services, but in a slightly more clinical setting?
Well, the nice thing is that being in the clinical setting and right in the dermatology department, if we've ever got a question or concern about an ingredient or about maybe a little bump on the skin that I'm not sure what it is, I have the resources right there down the hall to get the answers that I need. Instead of saying, we've got the bump on your skin, maybe you should see your doctor, I can get the answer right away.
It's nice. You're kind of a little oasis in the middle of the doctor's office,
exactly,
too.
Absolutely.
I bet people are sometimes surprised to find you there.
Absolutely. Yeah, they have, come in and realize that we are kind of a much more soothing, kind of tranquil place right in the center of a clinic.
And I understand you have been busy recently helping to treat acne-prone skin.
Yes.
How are you able to help patients with acne?
Well, I work really closely with the nurse practitioners in the dermatology department, and they send me people to do more of a hands-on treatment. The nurse practitioners deal with the medications and their overall health, skin that way, but I tend to do more of a hands-on treatment and able to do things to kind of open up those pores a little bit better and clear them much faster.
And, like you say, someone may be seeing a nurse practitioner or a doctor, topicals and medications. Yep. How does your treatment help to supplement what they're already getting through the doctor's office?
Well, it gives it a little boost, gives it a little kick. Sometimes anybody who's had a blocked pore or a blemish realizes how long it can stay, and it can stay for weeks. I'm able to use tools and different methods to get rid of that little blemish much quicker without leaving those telltale red marks that last for a long time.
So it's a don't try this at home kind
Correct.
of a procedure.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Why is it so much better to have the extractions done by someone who's a professional?
Well, one, it's like a sterile setting.
Yes.
That's one of the main things. But also, I have the kind of the tools to use and I've the experience to know which way the pores are leaning towards and whether or not it's ready to actually to extract or not. Because sometimes when people do it at home, it's not.
Yeah, it cannot be pretty.
No.
Yeah, right. Well, and there are other things that you're able to offer through the body treatments, and then there's also great makeup. Can you tell me a little bit about both the body treatments and the products, too? Sure.
Well, spring is going to be coming soon, and spring means coming prom season and weddings and things, and one of the best things, I think, is actually doing body treatments, like for the back, clearing up the back, getting, we do exfoliation treatments that slough off those dead skin cells, and we can actually moisturize. Again, it's great this time of year, too, when you're feeling that little bit or actually quite a bit of dryness and itchiness, so that helps a lot. And then the makeup, everybody loves to just kind of come in and look at the colors and try new things and, see what kind of options we've got.
And you use the Jane Iredale mineral makeup, so it's good for your skin?
It's good for your skin, yep, absolutely. And the minerals have an actual natural SPF built right in, so that's really important. to really protect your skin as well.
And you'll look great and have protected skin. Well, wonderful. Thank you so much for your time, Marne.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. And thank you for joining us for another edition of Healthy Living, brought to you by Essentia Health. If you miss an episode, you can catch them online at Essentia Health's new YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/Essentia Health. And we'll be back the last Monday in February to discuss the topic of vitamin supplements. Find out what guidelines are on what you could be taking and also how your vitamins could be interacting with other medications. Have a great night and take care.
Healthy Living is brought to you by Essentia Health.